Hey guys, Hobby Nut Models having their annual holiday sale, November 23rd through December 31st of 2023. So check out Hobby Nut's website at hobbynutmodels.com for more details. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we got a little stash ad, mail call, Hobby Nut run, all that good stuff. You guys know I'm a huge super glue user. I know a lot of guys, that's not the way to do it. I get that. But I haven't had problems with it, and I understand it. You only glue into what you're painting, to what the paint's sticking to. There is times I will scrape and use regular, cement on it. But probably, I would say probably 65-70% of my builds are super glue. That's just how I do it. I never used to do that. I just kind of migrated in that a little more and more as I went. I never used to use super glue. I always was scrape the paint, and I don't know. Maybe I'm getting lazy. It could be. Maybe. Anyways, was at Home Depot the other day, the big orange box, and they had these bad boys. If you guys are super glue users, check that out. These were like $6.99 for that 3-pack. I thought, that's a pretty good deal. So I had to pick those up. Anyways, throw that off to the side. I got a mail call. A subscriber, his name is Sam, he messaged me and wanted to send me a kit. And I thought, you gotta be kidding me. I thought, that's awesome. So he sent me a 64 Fairlane Thunderbolt. I thought, how cool is that? It's a complete kit. Pretty cool looking. Look through the kit, it looks really nice. So like I say, it's a nice builder. So there's no decals with it, but that's okay because I have a plan for this, because I have 3 others on the shelf that I've been wanting to build one for a long time. Because every time I go to hobby shows or these model shows, I always see a couple of them on the table, and I thought, man, I need to build one of those. And it's just something that he sent this to me, and Sam, I really appreciate that, man. I mean, that's awesome. Everybody in this hobby modeling community, just such great people, just unbelievable. Love it. Thank you very much for that. So I got a little bit of stuff from Hobby Nut today. I didn't go all out this time around. I just kind of kept it basic. So there's a kit out there that a lot of guys have been getting. The old Pro Street Lincoln Mark LSC. Yes, sir. I thought this is a cool kit. I didn't realize, I saw this kit before when it was previously released, that it had a small block with twin superchargers on it. I thought, how cool is that? I thought, man, that was really awesome. So this kit's kind of cool for me. This actual, I guess not so much the kit, but the car. My dad years ago had one of these. He had a black LSC. It was a 91. And we bought the car when I was working at a Ford dealership years ago. And it was the F&I guy's car, the finance insurance guy that worked there. It was his driver. And it was one that the dealer gave him, to drive and all this good stuff, like a demo. And it had the air ride in it. So all the air ride went out of it. So they were selling this thing for next to nothing. This car is beautiful. It's black on black, black leather. It had the JBL sound in it. Cool car, just really cool car. And like I say, it's an LSC, so it had the really cool rims on it. And it was just, this car was loaded for back in the day. It had everything on it. Well, anyways, we bought it. It was slammed to the ground. Air ride back then was ridiculous to replace for price-wise. My brother worked at a machine shop. I had an older T-Bird I was parting out, so put the two together. He made me some pucks. We took the air ride out, put coil springs in it, plumb bobbed them out on an alignment rack and leveled the car all out and everything. And we used the old school way and heated the springs up a little bit to bring the car down, and we give it to my dad for a birthday present. And my mom bought the car, and that was so cool. So this car is always one of those near and dear to me, just because of that. I still will build it as a race, a drag car, because it's just cool that way. But I would like to get one of these and make one as a regular kit and put together. So I've been looking forward to this kit, and like I say, I may get another one just to do a stock build. So that's my little story. That's story time. Story time's over. So we're moving on. I go through a lot of these cups. Mark sells these for really cheap down there, guys. So they're like $2 something for 50 of them. That's a pretty reasonable price. Pretty cheap. I was actually going to get the pipettes, eyedroppers, whatever you call them. I was going to get a pack of those, but I was telling my wife that I was ordering the stuff the other day, and she says, because I was telling her I was needing some, she says, oh, and of course she jumps on Amazon, she gets some, I already got you some coming. I thought, all right, well, whatever. So I got some of those coming as well, but they're not here yet. They should be here tomorrow. So anyways, I did some primer this time around. I got lots of primer. First off, I got a bottle of white MCW. This is just basic gloss white. I have plans for this. I don't remember for what, but I did have plans for this. So I needed that for something. It'll come to me eventually. And speaking of the white, I got Mr. Hobby Base White Primer. So I tell you what, guys, if you have never used this primer for airbrush, I love it. I love it. I used to use the Tamiya in the cans, and I started using this, and I tell you what, this stuff it's awesome. And it goes a long ways. I mean, you could shoot a lot of models with this. And this stuff's pretty thick, so you got to thin it pretty good. So I got another bottle of gray. I go through a lot of the gray stuff. I mean, this is really good stuff. And the last one I got a bottle of pink. So for those red and orange and all those other miscellaneous colors, I got this guy here. So that is my stash haul for today. Hope you enjoyed the story. So other than that, guys, just a short, quick video. Once again, if you guys have not been, go check out Hobby Nut Models. See what they got down in there. Okay, guys, I appreciate you tuning in and following along, checking out the channel, all that good hoo-ha. Yeah, so you guys have a good one, and we'll see you the next time around. Thanks for watching.